Number 29. Divide and round the quotient to the nearest 10,000th. Well, we're always dividing by the second number here. Okay, so this is the way it looks. And I added some zeros here because we're supposed to go to the nearest 10,000ths. Okay? Now, first of all, what we want to do is move the decimal over one place here. So I'm going to put a caret right here. And when we do that, we'll move the decimal over one place here. And a caret will go right there. Alright? So my final decimal is going to be right up here. Alright? My decimal is going to be right here. In between the 0 and 4, right there. Okay, now 168 goes into this 7 times. There's my decimal. 7 times 168 is going to be this number right here. When you subtract these, 10 minus 6 is 4. You have to borrow from the 8, so that's a 7 minus 7 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. The next step is to bring down the 4. 1044 divided by 168. That will only go 6 times, because 6 times 168 is going to be 1008. When I subtract these, I'm going to get 36. 14 minus 8 is 6. Borrow 1 makes this a 3. Bring down the 0. And this is going to go into this 2 times. This number into 360 divided by 168 is 2. 2 times 168 is 336. Subtract, I will get 24 here. Now we'll bring down another 0. Divide this by this is only going to go 1 time. 1 times 168 is 168. Subtract, we'll get a 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. Bring down the 0. Divide this by this is going to go 4 times. 4 times 168. Let me write that number right here. 4 times 168, 672. Now when I subtract that, I'm going to write down the difference over here. Okay, copy these down over here because I ran out of room down here. Subtract 10 minus 2 is 8. 11 minus 7, because we have to borrow 1 from there. 11 minus 7 is 4. We bring down another 0, and we'll divide one more time. It's a 2. 2 times 168, 336. We're getting 144 here. Now, we're at the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths. So we want to round off to the 10,000, so we're either going to have a 4 or a 5. It's either 6214 or 6215. Okay? 7.6214 or 7.6215. Because this is a 2, we're going to keep this as a 4. My final answer is 7.6214 because this is the tenths. The 2 is in the hundredths. The 1 is in the thousandths. And the 4 is in the 10,000ths. And then we've rounded off to the nearest 10,000. 7.6214.